In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sections in Asana at both the project level and inside subtasks, using the correct list view so you can organize your work clearly. Let's start by opening the project you want to organize. In the left sidebar, click Projects, then choose the project you're working on. This brings you into a space where you can start grouping tasks in a way that makes progress and priorities easier to see. Before you do anything else, make sure you're in List View. Look to the top right of your screen and switch to List. This is important because the option to add sections only appears in List View. If you're in Board or Timeline View, you won't see an Add Section button, so switching views is the key step that unlocks the feature. Now, let's add a section at the project level. Scroll to the bottom of your task list and click Add Section. Give your section a clear, purposeful name, like Planning in Progress or Completed. Consistent, action-oriented names help your team quickly understand where tasks belong. You can create as many sections as you need to mirror your workflow. Next, let's look at sections inside subtasks if your account supports them. Open a task to see its details, then scroll to the subtasks area. Just like before, make sure that area is in List View as well. If it is, scroll to the bottom of the subtask list and click Add Section. Some accounts may not see this option depending on your plan or permissions. If you don't see it, check with your admin or review your plan details. When it is available, type the section name you want for those subtasks so you can group the smaller pieces of work just as neatly as the main tasks. With your sections created, it's time to organize. Drag tasks into the appropriate sections to categorize your work. This drag and drop sorting works for both the main project tasks and subtasks when your view supports subtask sections. It's a simple step that makes status, ownership, and sequence much clearer. A few reminders to keep things smooth. Board and timeline views do not show. Add section. Some free plans may not support sections in subtasks, and you should always use List View to see the option. And that's how to add sections in Asana at both the project level and inside subtasks where supported. Organizing your tasks this way makes projects much easier to manage. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.